Hello and welcome to the fourth Neil Thompson swimming video. This is at the Burscough Infinity Pool and we're doing breaststroke skills and drills today with Alex Fry. Now Alex Fry is the top breaststroke swimmer at Thompson Swim and he's done 100 meters breaststroke in 63 seconds, which is a very fast time, 1 minute and 3 seconds, which would have won the Olympics up to not so long ago. So he's actually a really fast swimmer. He's one of our best coaches, and one of the best ways of teaching people and coaching people is demonstration. So he's demonstrating his breaststroke technique here, and we're going to do a few skills that have helped Alex become a very fast breaststroke swimmer. These are all going to help you. The first of our breaststroke drills is 2 kicks to 1 pull. So the main principle here is with the arms, stretch fully out in front of you and get ready for your next arm pull. You're going to have to hold your breath slightly more than usual on this one, and you're going to kick twice per pull. So it's 1 pull and then 2 kicks. So full stretch of the arms, stretch it out, kick the legs behind you, bend the knees, push the feet back, and full stretch. This is a very beneficial drill and one that my swimmers have used for many years, and it's certainly going to help you to improve on your breaststroke, and it certainly helped Alex to become the swimmer that he is. And the next one now is the arms only drill. So we're using a pull buoy there between the legs and not kicking the legs at all. We're just working on the arms. So full stretch on the arms. All the power is used on this stroke now. So 100% power, pushing the water back and getting ready for the next stroke. And we're in the infinity pool on a very high level of intensity of the water. And the final drill now is going to be the legs only. We're using the kickboard there, which is a very standard piece of equipment in swimming. What you need to do on the swimming is keep the legs behind you, bend the knees, point the feet out, nice and relaxed on the ankles and the feet, and push the water back. It's a short, strong, snappy kick, and that does the job. So putting it all together, people think breaststroke's the easiest stroke, but not if you do it like this. Alex is on the top level of intensity here at Burscough Infinity Pool, and he's going absolutely flat out on this one. So if your timing is right, your coordination is right, you'll go fast on breaststroke. So that was an excellent performance. So keep up with the training, enjoy your swimming, and like and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.